Hello, my dear viewers. This is Lucas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I am Rakesh, your host here. Today is 20th of March 2024. The day is Wednesday. Guys, I am an independent trader and hosting this webinar to make you acquainted of price action a bit and the key levels for the major currency pairs. For that matter, please do not confuse me as an employee of Lucas Copy Bank. I am not the employee of Lucas Copy. I am an independent analyst. Therefore, all the trading ideas or the views that I am going to discuss here in this live stream, they are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Lucas Copy research team. With that said, it means that everything that I am saying here has no implication, or it is not even a trading advice, because I am not authorized to give any trading advice. I'm just trying to share my own experiences and my own analysis on the Forex. I'll be talking about the candlestick charts, where we will be doing the price action analysis of all the Forex majors, and we will also see some support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and in coming days. We'll see how we can use those key levels to create some trading setups, profitable trading setups if it is possible. Now, for those who are new here, let me tell you that this can be more interactive if you ask questions, if you talk about your positions, if you talk about your perspective of the charts. Of course, I will be taking the questions from the viewers at the end of the session. But in between, if you find that there is something that you want to talk about, you can open the chat and start writing there maybe. So let me take you to my charts. Before that, after introduction, I must take you through the risk disclaimer. Please go through it. If you think that you have not understood this, you can pause the video here, digest this risk disclaimer, and then only please move to the charts, because this is very important part to know that there is a risk involved, financial risk involved in trading on margin. All right, so let's go to the charts. Oh, this is pound. This is the last chart. The first chart is here. This is the US dollar index. Now, till yesterday, the price was somewhere here, and we were thinking that the price will go back towards 103.21 before going up, but no, it broke higher. Of course, it found resistance at this previous rising channel's resistance line, but now it is trying to go low. Now, don't think that the price will keep going low. This is 4 hour. Okay, if you switch to 1 hour, you will not even see this. You will see only a green candle. Remember that these green candles should not you should not be afraid of these green candles, that the bias is bearish but the candles are green. Do not worry. Okay, there is a very high probability of the price breaking down from this rising channel very soon. This is a possibility. The long-term channel on the downside has broken to some extent, but has the candle closed? No. There is a possibility that the price will go down. Okay, in any case, even if the price goes higher from here, the market structure doesn't break. The market structure will break only if the price trades higher than 104.26. So I'm not asking you to buy this market, but I am asking you to wait, be patient, and wait for the opportunity when the price breaks below this rising channel. For us, the resistance is still around 104.26 and the support is around 102.31. These two levels are intermediate support and resistance levels. So you should keep these 4 levels on your charts for any setup. Right now there is no setup built, but yes, in the futures, maybe till 2nd of April, like in next 10 days, you will have a beautiful selling setup on the dollar. Talking about the Great Britain pound, it looks like that there are buyers sitting here at the lower levels. Today also pound went lower, but has been bought back immediately, and today also it looks like it is trying to form a bullish pin bar. Well, even if it is bullish pin bar or bearish pin bar, we don't mind, but the price has to break higher from this falling channel. If it doesn't go higher, we are not buying this market, okay, because this sell off can continue up to 1.2600. If the price breaks below 1.2600, then we will also become sellers in this one. Right now we expect the price to go down, but we don't want to sell this market because the market structure is bullish. So the market structure is bullish, that's why we are only looking for the buying opportunities. Now buying opportunity will arise in this, like this. There is a possibility like this. There is a possibility like this. Okay, when something like this happens, when your previous high is taken out, by the recent high, then when there is a pullback, this pullback you have to buy. You have to create a channel, and once this price breaks out of this, from here you have to buy. Here you have to keep your stop loss. This will be a first target, this will be a second target. So this is how you have to do it, okay? I mean, this is a possibility that you can do it like this. So for us now, support is 1.2600, the resistance being 1.289. This is not the ultimate resistance, by the way, okay? We have higher targets in this one. If the price starts going up, we will have a target around 1.3143 in this market. There are a few resistances on the way though, but the ultimate resistance is 1.3143. Talking about the euro, similar is the case with the euro. Whereas it has broken from this rising channel, there may be a deeper pullback. From here I am expecting the price to either go higher for like this, or maybe it can actually go like this, something like this. I'm expecting something like this, because even if the price rises from here, I think 1.0897 will push it down, although I'm expecting a support in this region here, and I think price will not be able to go below 1.0795. we will have sufficient support. If it does not support here, then the next level will be 1.0695 in the coming time. Australian dollar inside bar, just like euro and pound, all are inside bar. Maybe they are waiting for FOMC decisions, Fed rate decisions that are coming up in I think 1 hour or so. I'm not sure about the news because I hardly trade any news. So be cautious whatever happens. You know the thing, if the price breaks higher from 1.0897, the next target will be 1.0981. If it trades lower from 1.0795, then we can look for 1.0695. These are the crucial levels of interest. Okay. Australian, I said that this is an inside bar. Only if the price breaks higher from the previous bar or low from the previous bar will decide the fate for the Australian dollar. Till the time the price is trading above 0.6478, this region, you can be bullish on this one. And if the price breaks this falling channel, the price has to test 0.6668 in this market. Now, yesterday we had the bearish bias based on this price action here when the price broke through this previous lows. Today, the price went higher first and then it was sold off. You can go to the 4 hour to check out what happened. See, from here, there was a push to the upside. Thereafter, there was a small support, and thereafter there was a breakdown. Now this level is acting as a resistance. We have a potential support in this one very far, 0.5774. Now this is on the 4 hour basis. Let me check on the daily basis if there is something. All right, there are some relevant lows, so we will plot them up. I think first one is this, second one is this, and third one is this. So these are also relevant lows, and maybe when the price starts going down, it can find some support in these regions. Okay. Guys, what do you think? Where is the price headed right next? Well, I think that it is headed here. If you can just forget about this price action and think like this. Don't you think so? Anyways, 0.5774 is what I'm targeting in this one. USD CHF, the bias has become bullish yesterday. Now it is still rising. 0.8913 is where the price is trading right now. And I'm expecting it to take support in this region, 0.8893. And thereafter, it may move towards 0.9113. It has to come back once for testing it as the fresh support. If it acts as a good support, then only there is a possibility of going back towards 0.9113, which is the target in this one. Talking about the USD CAD, this is again an inside bar. It has not seen the high, which is higher than the yesterday, and not seen the low, which is lower than yesterday. So the price is inside bar. I think it is also waiting for the FOMC decision. If it is good for US dollar, then there is a possibility of the price going towards 1.3978. Whereas if it is bearish, then the price can reverse towards 1.3420, 1.3359, and even lower. USD JPY right now trading at 151.59. If the decision is in favor of the US dollar, we can have a breakout above 151.91. On the contrary, if the price fails to give any support to the US dollar, there is a possibility of the price going back towards 146.48 and maybe even lower than that. But I'm not trading this market because dollar index is in a bearish mode, whereas the USD JPY is in a buy mode. I do not take contradictory trades. Talking about the New Zealand CAD, well, after breakdown from here, we expected a bearish move, and it took, I think, only 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days to reach 0.8188. Now next target of 0.8105 is exposed in this market. Of course, the price can find some support here in this region around 0.8152, but after that 0.8105 is there. Like I think I said you yesterday that if the RSI breaks below 38 and then closes the day, thereafter this is boom 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 boom. So 0.8105 is, I think, what we should expect in this market minimum. We can also expect 0.8040, 0.7967, but this 0.8105 is the minimum that you should expect. Bitcoin, well, consolidating very nicely. Till the time it does not break out from this falling channel, we are not buying this market. First level of resistance should be 66,245. Second should be 70,184. Brent, we expected this down move here because the price was very close to this resistance. Now, any support around 84.62. If you see any hint of a support, you can see that with the target of 87.81 for the first time and 90.42 for the second time. So I'm expecting an up move like this. So let's see how the things unfold. Gold is just consolidating. I think it is also waiting for the Fed move. Somebody has built up a lot of positions in this region because the price has not gone higher, not gone lower. So there are a lot of positions, I think, building up here. From this price action, it looks like that somebody is buying this gold heavily, and if the market is manipulated, then you will see that the gold will rise from here just like anything. Now if the gold is rising, that means the US dollar has to fall. Let's see. Well, let's see what is happening, because if the gold had to fall, it would have already fallen, and bigger players, they don't want gold to fall. It looks like that. Japanese index, well, this rising wedge did not break to the downside, although it broke to the upside. Now the resistance level is 40,566. Any break above this will open up the way higher. We have not plotted them, but if I have to plot them, say, okay, forget it, we will not plot it, right? We plot it some other day. What about the Euro JPY? Euro JPY has been very bullish today. Very, very bullish. Why? Because people know, those who are smart money, they know that Japanese yen is weak, but the euro is going to be very, very bullish after the Fed report. Maybe that's why they have been very aggressive to open their buy positions in this one, and they did not allow any selling. So now it is 164. after this report, I think it will go to 169 or something. That's why there is so much of buying in this already. Well, I am not asking you to buy this market, but I think something is cooking here. A lot of buying has happened before Fed news. Something is cooking here. Maybe 169.97 is what we are going to witness in this one very soon. BAME is nothing for us. GBP AUD, I think we have discussed yesterday that if the market closes above 1.9447, it will start acting as a support. And today you could witness that the price came back to this area to find it as a fresh support. Now, where is the target, man? Where is the target? Well, the target is around 1.9751. This is the first target. There are more targets also, 1.9974, but 1.9751 is the first target that you should be looking at. The price was the price went higher. The price went higher from this green candle. This was the highest high. No, the volume was more than this, and here the volume was even more than this one also. So I'm expecting a higher move very soon. Let's see how the things unfold. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. All right, I hope once again that you know about the support and the resistance that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT.